So this model kit review is of the Sopwith Camel, and it is a 1/72nd scale model by Academy. It's a very small little box. We've got some nice box art, and here's a picture of the finished model. It doesn't look like they did any rigging for that. No other real details. Like I said, it is a very small little box, and it's a very small little model. So, let's have a look at our sprues. We have two sprues. We have got a lower wing and an upper wing. And some nice detail the way it's molded in there. It's pretty clean and crisp. Here's our elevator. Here's our rudder. Unfortunately, it looks like we do have some ejection pins there, and they've made some holes, so that'll need to be filled and then sanded down. But that makes a bit of a pain because of where it is. Next we have our fuselage. This is the left fuselage with some nice detail on the outside. No real detail on the inside there. You just see an area for them to sit. There's our engine, and these are the braces to join the upper and lower wing. We've got some wheels, and here's our propeller, and then I guess this is our landing gear for the wheels there. There's the other side of the fuselage. Very small little model here. Here are our decals. Quite nice. Obviously they don't have a lot of detail on these decals to begin with, but nicely printed. Let's have a look at our instructions now. So, it looks fairly simple. Here we go with the engine and propeller, landing gear. Next we put our fuselage together with the engine then mounted to that. That's guns. So there are the guns there. So guns are mounted, then the wings are mounted to the fuselage with our rudder and elevator, and then next our struts for the top part of the wings and landing gear. So over here we have our painting and decal guide. So it looks like you're going to paint this white and then put the red stripes over it. That's on the side and that's the right side. So all in all, pretty well. The molding quality is good. The detail, well, it's okay. Not too bad. You wish you could have more cockpit detail. And decals are okay.